Hi everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we want to learn how to crochet this beautiful pattern. To get started, grab your yarn and make a knot, then start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 12 plus 8 chains. For example, if you have 24 chains, at the end add 8 more chains to have 32 chains, and then we'll start crocheting. I made 24 chains to demonstrate, and at the end added 8 more chains. Now I have 32 chains. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 chains. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make a double crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain and make 1 double crochet into the next chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 chains, make 1 single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain, make a single crochet into the next one, and repeat this pattern. Chain 3, skip the next 3 chains, make a double crochet into the next one. Chain 1, skip the next chain, make a double crochet into the next one. Chain 3, skip the next 3 chains, make a single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain, make a single crochet into the next one until you reach the end of the row. At the end of the row, when you made your last single crochet, chain 3, skip the next 3 chains and make a double crochet into each of the last 2 chains. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, you can chain 1 and turn your project, or just turn your project. I just turn my project and make 1 single crochet into the very first stitch. Chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 single crochets, make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, another double crochet into the same space. Chain 1, another double crochet. Chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 double crochets, make 1 single crochet. Chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 single crochets, make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 double crochets, make 1 single crochet, and repeat this process to the end. At the end of the row, when you made your last 3 chains, we reach these 2 last single crochet. Skip the first one, make a double crochet into the last one. Chain 1 and make another double crochet into the same space. And this is what we have at the end of row 2. Row 3, you can chain 3 as our first double crochet, or turn your project and make a double crochet like this. Into the very first stitch, make a single crochet plus 2 chains. This is our first double crochet. Make another double crochet into the chain 1 space. Chain 3 into the next chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet. Chain 1 into the next chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet. Chain 3 For each the group of 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space between the first and second one, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the next chain 1 space between the second and third one, make another double crochet, chain 3 into the chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 into the next chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet, chain 3 into the chain 1 space between the first and second double crochet, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the next chain 1 space, make another double crochet, and repeat this process to the end. At the end of the row, when you chain 3, make a single crochet into the last chain 3 space and make a single crochet into the last single crochet. And this is what we have at the end of row 3. Row 4, you can chain 3 as your first double crochet or turn your project and make a single crochet plus 2 chains as your first double crochet. Make another double crochet into the same space. Chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 double crochets, make a single crochet, chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 single crochets, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 3 into the next chain 1 space between our 2 double crochets, make a single crochet, chain 3 into the next chain 1 space between our 2 double single crochets, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and repeat the process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, when you made your last 3 chains, we reach these last 2 double crochets. Skip the first one and make a single crochet to the last one. Our last double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains or 3 chains. Make your last single crochet into the second chain of your single crochet plus 2 chains or into the third chain of your 3 chains. And this is what we have at the end of row 4. Row 5, you can chain 1 and turn your project or turn your project. Make a single crochet into the very first stitch. Then make a single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Chain 3 into the chain 1 space between our 2 double crochets. Make a double crochet. Chain 1 into the next chain 1 space between our stitches, our second and third double crochet, make 1 double crochet, chain 3 into the next chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 1 into the next chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 3 into the next chain 1 space between the first and second double crochet, make a double crochet, chain 1 into the next chain 1 space, make a double crochet, chain 3, and repeat into the next chain 3 space, make a single crochet, chain 1, another single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and repeat this process to the end. At the end of the row, when you chain 3, make a double crochet into each of the last 2 double crochets. Our last double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your last double crochet into that second chain of it. Both loops. And this is what we have at the end of row 5. And from here we repeat the rows. Row 5 is like row 1, row 6 is like row 2, row 7 is like row 3, row 8 is like row 4, and row 9 is like row 5. And repeat them until you reach your desired length. At the end, you'll have something like this. Hope you like this tutorial and make beautiful things with it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, turn on post notifications and support me. See you in next tutorials. Bye!